Vultures Jack, come on into my book nook here in London for the Hiberno English word of the day. And I'm Mary Ellen and I'm working my way through the Hiberno English Dictionary. And I'm reminiscing over all these gorgeous words that my mother and father used to use and then I used. And then when I moved here to London 20 years ago, nobody understood what in the name of God I was talking about. So I thought I would share these with you in an effort to keep the language going. A lot of them come from the Gaeilge, but some of them are this mad, weird hybrid that we've made up. And we have this gorgeous way and creative way and lyrical way of speaking. And so I wanted to share these words with you and my family. So today's word is another K word, one that I think is quite common, but again, sometimes I say it here and, tumbleweed. So today's word is another K word. I have heard this used, quite commonly, at home for years, but never here in England, never here before. Knacker, and it's knacker, which is knacker. So it has been used for the travelling community, an insult. And again, it's a shady person. It's somebody that should be worried about. So, be careful of him. He's a bit of a knacker. So again, it is an insult and it's something not used in a nice way. I think, mind them now, the knackers. They're up to no good. It's been used for the travelling community, which is not good. But it is a Hiberno word. And I just thought, since we're chatting about these words, I'd put it out there. And then from knacker comes knackered, which is used much more commonly here in the UK and I think everywhere. Knackered, which is exhausted and just worn out. It's knackered. I'm knackered. I'm just worn out. Knackered. Do you know that word? Gromor.